Hey everybody, thank you for coming to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Harlee Quinn Halloween makeup look. And if you like what you see, please subscribe, leave a comment, like my post. I'll more than likely comment, do the same, or whatever, you know? Let me know what you want to see. Okay, so we're going in with my Urban Decay setting spray and my Vaseline, putting that all over my face. Going in with my High Beam highlighter from Benefit. I'll be putting that all over my face to be kind of prepping and priming for a dewy finish for my foundation, which I did not put on video. I just kind of went in with my look that I wanted to do today. So the first triangle that we'll be doing is going to be in this color right here from my Morphe 35T palette. And the second will be with Love Letter from Modern Renaissance palette. So here's the first triangle with the shade I just mentioned. Now we're going in with Love Letter for that second triangle on the outskirts of that first one. Blend, blend, blend. Blend your little heart out. Going in with my Revlon liquid eyeliner, I'm going to make a triangle on the inner parts of those triangles that we just made. Palette, I go in with that metallic shade in the bottom right hand corner, and I fill in that triangle, smudging everything out, blending, blending, blending. So with my Smashbox Double Exposure palette, I will be going with this black shade right here and buffing out those edges. So here I'm going to be going in with a flat concealer brush to really sharpen those edges and clean it up on the edge right there. Again, you don't have to do this, you could just leave it as is, but I was going for very pointy on those parts. So here I'm blending out these edges with a fluffy highlighter brush. I did it just so I can have this smoky effect. It didn't really do much, but I mean, you know guys, I tried. So in with my Modern Renaissance palette, I go in with that light shade, upper left corner, put that all in my crease, just so that when I blend out my brighter color, it will blend seamlessly. Going in with the light orange shade right here, same palette. I put that in my crease, and I'm also winging this one out, making my foundation for my Love Letter. Going in with a pointier, denser brush, I put that all in my crease, and I will be winging that as well. Now blending with a semi-clean blending brush. It actually has that light orange shade from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I feel like it blended it out even more seamlessly than I thought. Okay, so here I'm actually going in with my Morphe 35T palette in that same glittery purple shade, or I should say shimmery purple shade, that we used for the first triangle. And that's pretty much being a base for my Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. I'm using the shade Tulip Twinkle. Yeah, Tulip Twinkle. And you're gonna love this eyeshadow. I swear, you guys. Oh my god, it's honestly the best. So this is Tulip Twinkle from Stila's Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and it's super glittery. Oh, it's everything I love, you guys. If you haven't tried it, you have to. You need to try it. It's amazing, and it doesn't clump up. It doesn't crease that much. It's honestly perfect, you guys. I've had like the same kind of thing, and they just clump up. They flake. They get all in my eyes during the day, on my makeup, but not this one. This one's perfect. Beautiful. Pink, orange, gold undertones. It's just perfect. You can build it up, you can dilute it by patting it with your finger. It looks really nice with orange. Let me let you know. Going back in Love Letter, I'm just going back and forth in my crease, flicking it out, making sure the color payoff is the brightest. Again, spray your brush after you dip it in the shadow. It will make your shadow so beautiful. Now for my triangles on the top of my eyebrow, going in with the same shade from my 35T palette and making a little triangle there. I proceeded to do all the next steps after this part because we were literally doing the exact same thing I did on the bottom that I'm doing on the top now. Going in with a dark eyeshadow and just making a wing liner. You know what? I think I actually used a liquid liner too, the same one that I used for my black triangles. And I just put the product on to this brush right here and I just winged it out like that. So I'm going in with my Revlon liner first, and then I go in with that eyeliner brush that I'm holding in my hand, that one. See, I have more control over this brush than I do the actual applicator for the Revlon eyeliner. It's just way easier, you guys, trust me.